In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop multi-restaurant online WhatsApp food ordering system SaaS. An example of this kind of script is Restro SaaS. Now, we are going to look at some of the benefits or features of this script. This script is an innovative online food ordering solution designed for multi-restaurants, enabling seamless order management through WhatsApp with a user-friendly interface and powerful backend. It simplifies the process for restaurant owners while providing customers with a convenient way to place orders directly via WhatsApp. Kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. So after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. File manager, I will go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purpose, which is this. I've already uploaded my script, as I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So after extracting, I close this. Here is the extracted folder. I'm going to select or move them to the root folder. Move files. Now I'm going to click on back. Let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Enter. Next, I will say check requirements. All assets, I click on check permissions. All assets, configure environment. Form wizard setup. Okay, app name, let me see Restro. Yes, let me see Restro. App URL, okay, website, setup database. Now I will go back to my cPanel, but this time around I want to go and create my database. So I'm showing it down. Okay, manage my databases. So let me name my database as Restro DB. Yes. Create database. Database created successfully. So I click on go back. Just after creating my database, I'm going to create my user. Let me name this as Restro DB user. Then I click on create user. After creating my user and my database successfully, I click on go back. Yes, I'm going to give privileges to the user. Okay, select it. Restro, yes. Yes, add. Now I'm going to give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Success. So now let me copy my username. Back to my site. Okay, here is my SQL. Okay. Database name. Database username. Then I click on install. Okay, I can now close this. Installed, finish. Installation finish means I've successfully installed it. So now I can now click here to exit. Nice, I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.